If you own a diesel pickup, especially if it's newer, you'll be familiar with this little gauge here, DEF. It stands for diesel exhaust fluid. And this gauge will tell you how much is in your vehicle at any given time. It also has a fail-safe measure on the Dodge Ram EcoDiesel. You'll get a warning on your dash that add fluid or this vehicle will not start in X number of kilometers. It's pretty smart, and you don't want to run out of DEF. It's nasty. Keep this thing topped up. Have your dealer do it if you don't have the capacity to do it, or if you find it on sale, watch the measures in this video and follow them to the T. Although it isn't rocket science, you don't want to put any dirt or debris or anything foreign in the DEF system. May be detrimental to the reliability and warranty on this vehicle. DEF stands for diesel exhaust fluid. It's not hazardous at all. It's basically 32.5% urea solution and 67.5% deionized water. So they spray that DEF into the exhaust stream of the vehicle. It breaks down the dangerous emissions. It turns them into harmless fluid, like it's nitrogen and water that comes out your exhaust. So it makes it very, very low carbon footprint as much as it can be in a diesel pickup. It's very, very harmless solution. It looks like water and it's odorless. Just follow the procedures in this video and you should have no problems whatsoever. I am not a mechanic. I don't profess that this is 100% gospel of owning a Dodge. Watch at your own risk and add fluid at your own risk and take this video for what it is, but hope you enjoy. Just a little word of caution when you're replacing your own fluids in this vehicle or any diesel. Do not let anything but diesel fuel enter the diesel compartment. If DEF gets in here, it's not a good thing. It's very nasty. As well, never get diesel in your DEF system. Very, very bad, very, very expensive. So be very careful when you're adding fluids to either component. The thing is, DEF fluid is DEF fluid. They're all the same. The only thing you have to watch is how it's stored, and once you open that container, you have to use that container. So it has to be poured in. If you have any left over, just dispose of it properly. Under the truck seat where McDonald's French fries come to die. But you'll find under the passenger front seat a little funnel here. It sticks in like that, and then you can pour your single serve DEF container in there. My larger DEF containers actually have the funnel built right in, so we don't have to worry about that. This is the DEF that I purchased at TSC, Tractor Supply Company in Canada. It's a nice big jug. We've got 2.5 gallons here, and it comes with a little funnel to help dispense it. But what I'm going to tell you here is just watch when you're buying this on sale what this date is that's imprinted on every DEF can. And it is actually not an expiry date, it's actually a born on date. The way that you read this is it's the year +1. So this was actually born in 2018. The next 3 digits, 081 on this bottle, is the date, the day it was born. And how you read that is you take 365, December 31st, you minus 81, and that puts me to October 11th. So there's lots of time left on this can. We're a few months away from this, so my truck's going to be consuming this pretty good by that date. I'll probably use all of it up. As long as this is stored properly, which it has been as far as I know since I've got it. Keep it in a cool place inside the house in the basement. Don't store it in a heated garage where it's going to get 100 degrees in the summer and expect it to last. I'll put a chart here that shows you the degradation of this liquid when it's exposed to temperature. But that's how you read the born date. Again, it's year +1, so 2018, and it's 365 minus 81 days, which is October 11th. Okay, let's prepare this for pouring in. So I'm going to remove the cap, take the included funnel, it pulls out like that. This will threads on like so. I'll open the door. I'm going to remove the DEF cap. You can see my other video on those. I put the nozzle in there. Just be careful you don't dump any crud in there as well. I'm going to start pouring in. That's simple. There's one jug. Let's see what it did for the level on the gauge. It's almost half. So my dealer didn't even put in one jug and charge me 50 bucks. So I'm going to throw the second jug in and we'll see what that does. We should be getting close to full. Alright, so we're going to add in the second jug. And there's 2 jugs of DEF. Make sure my cap's clean before I stick it back in. Now we've got the second jug in. Look at that, almost full. That's awesome. So that's how you add DEF to your EcoDiesel Ram. Just be cautious of the capacity that you need to add in. The EcoDiesel Ram is well loved for the size of its DEF tank. I know the GMs are very small in some of the Duramax, so just be careful on it. I love the EcoDiesel for the fact it's so easy to add in, being accessible by your fuel tank. Hopefully this video helped you out. If you have any comments or suggestions with DEF, reading dates, storage temperatures, etc., then by all means please comment below. Subscribe if you want to keep up to date on EcoDiesel, my EcoDiesel life, and if I have any issues moving forward, give this video a like if you think it helped you. Thanks a lot, guys, and get out and ride.